Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, but don't look wrong. I know so now say baby I John now too long and girl now a baby, but here we now. Baby I come here now man. Cause we are going 9 and 8 now. We are released 8 Sunday. Right? And by the next Sunday, you know say baby go born cause 9 months it take. So part 9, by them time the baby go born and bag of things go on. Then at 10, when it's at 10 we go bring it to an end. Grand finale. So look out for it, you know. I'm wanting to support that one here. We are post late from what day. Every Sunday we are post all 5 o'clock. So this is Sunday we are trying to get it out by 11 o'clock, the latest. Really, what one? I'm there, I go on, hold it up. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing me there. No, somebody just come back in the place.
How are you going there?
When they go a country go cool out because I be a stress, they must stress me out. Baby never did a develop good ass.
Why? Everybody down here look for you.
After me never lost.
Me I tell them say good I want to look a place you can chill out, but then never they are listening.
Oh, well, me they go chill out for true.
Well,
because me did stress bad.
but you not stress again?
No, me alright.
Yeah man, burn it down. Yeah man, that not sound bad. Yeah, what time the plane go land? Yeah man, we can't make it man, we can't make it. So what you do does, let me know say payment straight for that one and thing. Yeah man. How long now since you left yard?
10 years long, 10 years long man. 10 years ago to 11 years.
Right.
10 and a half years now, I see me that time.
Yeah man.
Where place I run?
Place I run just as about 10 years ago. No changes. Same separation. But them build up on million dollar sign. Yeah, that way I try though. But you know it's a fight though. It's not an easy road, you know what I mean? So I mean I edit from what day still, you know what I mean? So the 10 part of this I'm edit it. You know what I mean? So you know what I go? You take what you can go do what you do. Big up all of my supported them from that time till this time. Hope me not talk too fast, you know. But I say big up everyone who support me with the 100k now. Me I wait for the plaque. When me get the plaque here now, I want to do one little celebration. Don't go hear about it. I don't talk about that trailer here, you know. You know, it's 15 and pregnant. 8, you know, this Sunday. Check in by 11 o'clock. Tell a friend, tell a friend. You know what I mean? We are trying to carry to 10 and that's how all of the fun go end.
I see what I mean. Make it that you can see. Red thing and go out.
So on your back now? I don't make me have a meal.
You know what I mean? Almost make sure you're alright. I don't say alarm on the next thing. Alia. Alia.
Or if I walk come down and stop calling me and come out his son or you.
I'm tired.
Baby alright.
Yes.
That's one thing we can come get to. Alright, so here it go now. You understand? I'm not done pay for them, you know. So
Yeah, tired.
You see if the baby forward now and a PNP thing, you have the orange. You understand? Right. If you say I go green, Labour right, we have a green. Alright. See if you want to go old school now and you want to just rocky fashion way, we have a white. We have a white theme. You understand?
Okay.
You can aside, but we not done pay for it yet. You understand?
You want like a second arm?
No, sir. A good son.
Alright, come put them back.
Right them.
Thanks, but yeah. But next time, do better on the shoes. But
Me know, man.
like, come. Yourself as a man, I'm in a relationship are going good now.
But anyways, when you can't see Riri, you don't see her. You can't see me normally call me, I can't hear from him, you don't know what she did.
Bob, me and you they are so good and happy. But the baby say something like a man. You come and talk about Riri. What you concerned about Riri about? Where you Riri about Riri call? Where you want Riri to call you for?
No.
Marissa, you ever want to upset my stomach? You ever want to upset my day? Ever want this girl foot? Come up here, so, to boy. Come up here, so, man.
Just
What's wrong with you?
Take time with me now.
You can't talk about Riri. Eh? I'm making your shoes in the head.
You can't, right, listen up. Me just have to say if you don't see her, if I will, me not see her.
You're still asking about Riri. Jesus Christ. Thank you, God. You know how long me did want to escape. Me can't believe that girl that have me for so much days. On top of days.
Boy. Let me ask you one question.
Here come my friend and me suffer.
Where me got that today?
How me if you know you got that today? I mean, your mama.
Little girl, you know, say, come back here, so. You know, say, you don't play with me, you know. I mean, your man can't agree. Oh, hello. Oi, looking at me two big bulb behind them. I'm here to talk to.
You know, we are trying to do the work. So we have some new people are coming, put up some more work to it, because you know how series go, you have to introduce new people. And we are keeping fire blazing, man. So some old people go come back in by 10. So a bag of things go on and look out, no make you miss, you know. You know what I mean? We are the 9 you know too, while we are short. But we'll not get the 9 till next week. Alright? Yeah man, so give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Give thanks to support from them time there. Burn it down. Anyway, straight down to the ground, man. You see it? We are doing it for real life. We're trying to make Jamaica have a real movie industry. Not with the rich people them alone, but for some of the people them who want better out of life. Because the youths them star. Most of people call me on a daily basis. I wish I did have the platform to accommodate.